look at that cryptocurrency. I think I'll buy it and just do a little quick flip, 2x before I go to bed. Oh, crap, right after I bought it, just dumped. Damn it. It's okay. I'll just set an alarm for every hour, and then whenever it's up 2x, I'll just sell. Alright, let's get some sleep. Make daddy some money. Oh no. It's actually down a little bit more. Go back to sleep. Alright. We're making a comeback. We're almost there. Oh, it's up a little bit. Okay, I'm just gonna go back to bed. Oh. Oh, it's just down again. Ah, I'm tired of this alarm. Just go up so I can sell already. Oh. Oh, look at that. It pumped. I mean, I'm up 2x, but I mean, it's ripping. Why would I sell now? I got a bull flag going on. Yeah, I'm just gonna go back to sleep and see where it's at in an hour. Oh no! Oh, it just dumped. I should have sold. That dumped hard. Wait a minute. There's no liquidity in that. Oh, it rugged me. Oh, I lost the money and I got no sleep. Ah, damn it. Stupid crypto.